Welcome to Serbian Lessons, created by me. My name is Marina Petrovic, and I'm going to teach you Serbian. And in this course, I'm going to show you what these video lessons look like and what you can learn and how you can learn in the future. So you will notice that you have a lot of different lessons, and when you click on one lesson, you have the tasks, and you can just simply click on the underlined words because they're hyperlinks, which means that you will see the video immediately afterwards. Okay, so this is what the first video looks like. Okay, and then you go back when you listen to it. Okay, and you can again access the content pages. Okay, so these are the topics, and I will add more and more lessons so you can choose which lesson to do. So if we stick with the first one, you will always have the explanation, and after the explanation you will have classroom exercises. In the classroom exercises, this is also a video where you have to speak. Okay, first time you listen to me, so I say ja sam, and then I pull it there. Okay, if you want access to this classroom and do these exercises on your own, you can get in touch with me via the email, and then you can practice like this. You can also apply an asynchronous kind of learning over Google+, where I post the video practice, and then you can record your answer so I can give you feedback. Or you can have synchronous lessons with me. After doing a few lessons, you listen, practice, and then we have lessons in my virtual classroom. Okay, so after listening to the explanation, doing exercises, then you can go to my site Serbian Lesson. Okay, let me see if you can see it, Serbian Lesson, and where I post the same video. Okay, you can see the video if you scroll down, and then there is also a written task for you. So you practice to say ja sam, and now you practice to write ja sam and then your name, or ti si. And when you finish filling this in, you click this check button, and then you see your result. Okay, and so in the first part of the course, Serbian 101, Serbian 102, there's only the version in the Latin alphabet, but for the following courses, following lesson, as you progress, there will be more and more Cyrillic lessons, or lessons in the Cyrillic alphabet, so you can choose which alphabet to practice. Anyway, so this is how this course is organized. Okay, and it's pretty easy to navigate, and there are a lot of different tasks for you and a lot of different practice pages. So we did this, the verb to be in Serbian, and now we can go to adjectives in Serbian. So again, you have the explanation 1, explanation 2, and then classroom practice. You have the explanation of the words here. Sometimes you will see that the video is private, which means that you have to purchase the access. But if you have already bought a course, then you will automatically get the invitations, so all the videos will be available like this one. So click and you will be able to see it immediately. Okay, okay, and now I go back And when you reach the end of the course, Serbian 101, okay, so there are about 11 or 10 lessons. Then the final are easy texts. So you can click on the text, this link, which will lead you to the video. And in this video, you have an easy text in Serbian. Okay, I'm going to mute this because you can't hear it now. And so you can see here the text, and you can also see the explanations. Okay, so there is the text, which is read slowly and then a little bit faster. Okay, so twice. And then you have the same text, which is gapped. So once with personal adjectives and then with the verb to be. So you read together with me. I'm just going to be quiet here, so you have to fill in the gaps. Okay. And again, there is the third option. So you have one text which is the same and exercises together with it. Okay. And after listening to me reading this text and explaining the words, so you can go to the follow-up tests. This is again file which is clickable, so you have all the tests and you click on the link and it will take you to the exercise. So this is the exercise which is connected with the previous text, which you practice speaking, and now you practice in writing. Okay, the same thing. You check and you get the results. Okay, so after doing all these tasks, if you have scored more than 90% in all these tests, and when you are confident about all the things that you've learned here, you can go to the last page and then move on to Serbian 102, which also has, you will see now in a second. So Serbian 102 also has 11 lessons, and again in each lesson you have the explanation and then you have the practice and classroom practice. Okay, and so you move from the course to the course, from the lesson to the lesson, from the course to the course. So you can either buy a lesson, and these explanatory lessons are about 7 to 10 minutes long, as you can see here, and the follow-up lessons or classroom practices are a bit shorter. Okay, so you will always have one which is with my voice, explained slowly, and the other one which is muted, or you have only music, so you can practice on your own, you can speak. And then after that you will have the exercise, written exercise. Okay, I'm back to 102. So these are the lessons, and again you click on the lesson and then you click on the linked text and then you watch the video. This is just the practice. You can see it's 7 minutes 33. Okay. So this is how the courses and lessons are organized. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email to activator@skolasrpskog.com. And I'm sure you will enjoy the simplicity of this kind of learning. Okay, so see you. Bye.